इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे स्क्रम एंटी पैटर्न्स की। यदि आप भी कोई टेक फाउंडर हैं तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में जो मैं आपसे बात करूंगा उससे यदि आप उन चीज़ों को भी सही कर लोगे तो आपके एजाइल प्रोसेसेस में, आपके वैल्यू डिलीवरी में बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आप ये कह सकते हो कि 50 से 60% आपके प्रोसेसेस सही हो जाएंगे और आपकी डिलीवरी वैल्यू डिलीवरी होने लग जाएगी। ओके ना, यदि आप मेरे वीडियो पे पहली बार आए हो तो मेरा नाम अमित विजयवर्गीय है एंड I help tech founders to deliver the customer centric product without any struggle in the stakeholders. So now let's go ahead and discuss about the Scrum Anti-Patterns. So I have listed down some points over here and we will definitely discuss one by one. But definitely if you watch this video, you will definitely get the very good insight and it will definitely improve your processes. Now let's discuss about one by one. Okay. First is, if we talk about the daily Scrum as a status meeting. So what is happening in the agile process, and I have seen in many teams, like I hope you have watched my video for the Scrum events. If you have not watched, I have given the link in the description, so you can definitely watch that video. So you will definitely know about what is daily Scrum. Okay. Then what is happening in the team is people are using that Scrum call as a status meeting, like, okay, I have done this, and that no blocker, that's all. No, it is something like the status meeting, or you can say that daily stand up should be like very collaborative. Okay, what we are going to deliver today, every team, like a whole team should be very aligned that what we are going to deliver today and which member what exactly doing. So this is something like that we need to take care. If we only fix this issue, then definitely it will definitely help us to improve our agile processes. Okay, now next is Scrum Master acting as a manager or task manager. I have seen in many teams or where like a lot of tech founders are struggling that यार Scrum Master जो होता है ना वो only सिर्फ task assign करने में काम करता है. No, this is not the thing that supposed to do Scrum Master. Okay, if this is same thing happening in your Scrum team, then definitely you have to fix it. And how to fix it is you have to make sure that Scrum Master is good enough to coach the team in the agile processes, and also he should be like, okay, make sure that he makes the team as a collaborative team, like he should be servant leader, like whatever the problems are coming in the process, in the in the team collaboration and all these things, he should be acting like that, but not like a, okay, ye kaam kar dena, ye kaam kar dena, ye kaam kar dena. No, it's not like that. It's like every team member has to be independently work or self-organized. That is the work of your Scrum Master that he has to do. Now, this is the second point. Now, third point is PO not available. Okay, what happens? I have seen many like a Scrum team or agile processes wherein product owner says, यार मेरा कोई काम ही नहीं है, मैं आके क्या करूँगा. No, it's definitely the wrong thing, because product owners should know that what is going on in my team, what they are basically functionally doing. Is this, whatever the team is doing, is this really matching our business goal or not? And if the product owner is not coming on the daily Scrum call or all the Scrum events, then definitely you have to make sure that product owner should not miss this meeting. This should be compulsory, that product owner must attend the meetings of Scrum and Agile events. Okay, this is the third point. Fourth is no DOD. DOD means definition of done. If you have not watched my video definition of done and definition of ready, you can definitely watch that video. I will give the link in the description. So now what is happening? See, what happens in the Scrum team is developer works and says that, okay, मैंने मेरा काम कर दिया, and the tester will check and होने दो जो हो रहा है. No, it's not like that. Make sure that every team member make sure their work that follows the definition of done. Okay, if you are doing that and if you only fix this issue, that is also going to improve your agile process and value delivery. Now next point, if we discuss about unplanned work during sprint. Okay, unplanned work means, let's suppose your sprint has started and now PO has requested, or maybe the product manager, or maybe the client as a tech founder requested that okay, you have to add this work as well. No, you have to strictly says that no, or you cannot take any unplanned work after sprint started. If you are taking this, then definitely you are making a lot of mistakes. And if you really want to go deep, understand like what is like a scope creep and sprint interruption, then definitely you can watch my video. I will definitely give the link in that. But as a tech founder, you have to make sure that your team is not making this mistake. Okay, now next point is sprint planning without the team. So what happens in agile process or in agile team, most of the team members, or you can say that PO and Scrum Master only prepare the sprint planning and all this thing. No, this is not right. Okay, if you are doing with high level, okay, what I have discussed with tech founders is like यार टीम को इन्वॉल्व करने की क्या जरूरत है जब हम ही हमारे को ही प्लानिंग करनी है ऑल दैट. नो, दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट वे. ओके, एवरी टीम मेंबर शुड बी इंक्लूडेड इन द स्प्रिंट प्लानिंग मीटिंग एंड मेक श्योर दैट the team is involved collaboratively. That team has to give their input, their thoughts on the work or on the business value and everything. If you are doing this, then definitely it will definitely help you in your agile process and delivery value or sprint planning as well. Now, seventh point is keeping retrospective. Guys, as a tech founder, you always have to focus on improving your agile process. It doesn't matter how big is your team, where is your Scrum and agile processes. Either you are starting the agile processes, or you are using the agile from last 10 years. That doesn't matter. You always have to make sure that retrospective meetings are happening. They are creating the notes, and they are at least taking a one step towards the improvements. If you are doing this, if you will do this, definitely it will help you to improve your agile processes. Now, next thing is ignoring technical debt. What does that mean is, what happens in the like a developer or Scrum team is they do not focus on improving their codes. Make sure that every team members improve their codes, and also make sure that whatever they are coding, this is not increasing the you can say the bugs basically. Means, let's suppose if in one sprint the bug count is 10 and in the next sprint is bug count is 12, it means there is some issue in the technical, right? Writing the code, reviewing the code and all these things, right? So you have to make sure that these bug counts continuously decrease, and make sure that your code and reviewing all the code processes are improving. If you are doing this, definitely it will help you. And it will not help you in just agile process, but it will definitely help you to improve your product, you can say the deliveries. Whatever the delivery you are improving, whatever the values you are delivering, this will definitely improve your products. Now, next talk about the velocity abuse. Velocity abuse means is like what happens in Scrum team. I have seen that okay, we have delivered this like a 10 story points in the last sprint, then definitely we can deliver the 10 story points in that sprint. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. Okay, sprint velocity gives you the idea that how many story points we can deliver, but it's not like that we can deliver the same story point in the next sprint as well. Okay, and it is something like many people says that okay, this team member A is doing that much of story points, and Dev B is also has to do the same story point. No, this is something like velocity abuse. If your team is doing that, then definitely you have to improve. You have to stop it right now. Then definitely it will help you. Okay. Now next discuss about treating Scrum as a process, not as a mindset. Guys, this mistake is very big mistake. If your agile team is treating स्क्रम एज ए प्रोसेस कि हाँ यार हमें तो है ना ओनली सिर्फ स्क्रम कॉल करनी है, प्लानिंग करनी है, रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव करना है एंड ऑल दिस थिंग and just they are doing for sake of process. No, this is absolutely wrong. If you are doing that, if you are a tech founder, if your team is doing that, then definitely you have to stop it. And I would say stop the agile as well. If you are not like implementing the agile on a mindset, okay, then if you implement the agile on a mindset that okay, हाँ यार हमें इन मीटिंग से, हमें इन लाइक यू कैन से इवेंट से, या हम जो वैल्यूज़ डिलीवर कर रहे हैं, हम क्या स्क्रम की वैल्यूज़ फॉलो कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं. इफ़ यू आर फॉलोइंग दैट ऑल दिस थिंग्स एज ए माइंड सेट, then definitely it will help you to improve your agile process. Yeah, that's all from this Scrum Anti-Pattern or for this video. If you only focus on these 10 patterns, or if you only improve these 10 things in your agile, definitely it will help you as a tech founder to improve your agile processes. यदि आपको भी इस वीडियो में अच्छा लगा हो, कुछ समझ में आया हो, किसी भी एक से आपने ये सीखा हो कि हाँ यार ये मेरी मिस्टेक कर रहा था मैं, मेरी टीम, and I have to improve that, definitely you can put in the comment, or whatever you have learned in this video, definitely you can put in the comment. And I will if you have any question, definitely you can put that in the comment as well. I will definitely personally answer your each questions. And यदि वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक इट, शेयर इट, एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. थैंक यू एंड सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो.